Hi friends, welcome to another Photoshop tutorial video. So here today we are going to do double exposure. So let's choose an image. I'm using this image. Okay. So I have chosen one image. After that go to quick selection tool here. Yeah, that one. Quick selection tool. Then select subject. Now the subject is selected. After that go to this layer panel and create a mask. In this layer panel below that you can see layer mask. Okay, I'm just creating the mask. Now the mask of the object is created. After that go to solid color. We have to create a solid background color, so we are just creating a solid color. Now we will give white, later we'll change. Okay, so I have given white and everything. Now I'm just choosing the exposure thing that I need to give. So I have just placed that one. Just place this image above and just arrange this photo according to the need you want, your creativity, according to your creativity or your need. Okay, so I think it will be good if I place. Okay, it will be good, I think. Yeah, so I'm just placing the image. Okay, 1 minute, just a minute. Okay, I'm just placing the image. Just I have to enlarge the image little bit. Okay, it's enough, I think. Later on we will change. Okay, so now we have added image. Now the thing is we have to do the clip mask. To do that, I think you all know to do this clip mask. Just go to this, select this photo and press alt key in Windows or in Mac and press option and just click on below image. Now it is clip masked. In Windows version it is alt and in Mac version it is option. Okay, so now I have just clip mask this image. I just dragging according to the position that I need. Okay, I think I'll just increase the size, it will be more good. Okay, now I just increase the size. So we have done a final, we are just stepping into the final part. Now you just click on layer mask and choose the brush. Now remove unwanted portions. Okay, I'm just removing this. And if you want this part again, just change this brush color into white, so the part will come. Okay, so I just don't want that part, so I am just giving black. I'm just removing. Okay, just removing, and part also I'm just removing here. So this is layer mask, and this is a double exposure thing. Okay, so before that if you want to give more depth for this image, just go to, before select this image layer and go to curves. In curves just move this right side to left, and this left one to, I think it is visible for you. Let me move this one. Okay, so it will be visible. So this is curves. Okay, I just move this one here. I just have moved this here. Okay, so now the depth, there is little depth, and I'm just changing the our color now. I'm just choosing the color. Yeah, okay, it's good. And again, just we have some remaining parts here, we have to remove it. Okay, now see, this is a very easy process. Now we have just created double exposure easily. And okay, that's it. Just okay, if you think just a minute. Okay, okay, that's it. Now we have given double exposure. And don't care about this is because of the less quality of that image. Maybe when we decrease the size of image, I think the clarity will come, but the thing is we'll not get what we needed. Okay, so I just replaced it. Again, I have to do the same process. So in this process, you need to know the how the masking is done, how the quick selection tool is used. So these are the important things you need to know. I think you all have understood about double exposure. This is how the double exposure works. You can experiment with other images. If you have any doubts, you can just comment below. If you find any difficulties, don't bother. It is very easy process. So thank you guys. Please subscribe and click on like button. Thank you.